Hi there, everybody. Welcome back. Hey, Marybeth Angelelli here. Wanted to bring you inside of one of my favorite traffic resources, especially for this little $39 offer where you can earn unlimited $39 instant payments over and over again all day long, folks. Okay. This is a really super simple program. It's an informational product devised on an educational platform to show you how to start generating extra income from the comfort of your home using email marketing. All of the ad copy is provided, the email swipes for you to swipe and deploy, and the marketing resources comprised of safe lists and solo ads and email traffic resources are all provided. So you have the instructions, a guide to follow to start generating yourself some nice extra income. This offer is very simple. It's very newbie friendly. Okay. And it's something that is really helping a lot of people. Will continue to do so. And it's working very well and converting very, very well, folks. Okay. I wanted to come in here because I've been getting lots and lots of inquiries with regards to the CashAlive39 system. That's what this is called. CashAlive39, okay? It's a one-time $39 payment, okay, to get started. And then for a small nominal fee, you can get yourself a website, which I do highly recommend, even though it's not required. It truly will make a difference and truly jumpstart your success with CashAlive39. So again, one time $39 gets you in, and there's an optional nominally priced website, which is super, super affordable, okay? And you should have that in approximately 24 hours, give or take a little bit, as far as the website goes. Okay, and you would order that from the company. Okay, so just wanted to let you know it's a direct member to member program, and this is a source that I am using. You can use this for any home-based business opportunity, especially as we go into the busy season, folks. The name of the game is driving traffic to your offer and just having a consistent, steady flow of visitors looking at your website each and every single day. Okay, folks, so this is a resource I've been using now for quite some time. I highly recommend it, and it's Herculist, our most popular ad package, only $20. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do a little step-by-step walkthrough guided tutorial showing you how easy it is to order. So I'll put the link below, smart-list.com/20deal.html. So let's go down here, folks. This is where you go, and you're going to type in your name, your full name, your email address. So make sure you provide a valid, real, legit email address, and the subject of the ad. Okay, this is one that I've been using. You can actually use this for any offer, and it's been pulling very, very well for me and converting very well. I've been getting a great open rate, click-through rate, and conversions. So here it is, folks. Hot work. Okay, this is going to go in quotes, work from home. I'm even going to give you the ad copy to help you out here, folks. And again, you can use this for anything. Hot work from home opportunity. And that's what most people are seeking. They're seeking a work from home opportunity because those provide extra additional cash flow. And the word hot, definitely piques curiosity. Okay. You can either do plain text or HTML. Okay. So for the purpose of this, we're going to keep it on plain text. And I'm going to go ahead and type out the ad, and I will let you know exactly what I'm saying. So I'm going to read this through to you. Hey, comma, okay, I've got an urgent message for you. There is one spot available for this hot work from home opportunity. Okay. If you are interested, comma, please visit my website. And then we're going to type out the website here. You always want to provide the full URL website within the body of your ads, because this is where you're going to be driving your traffic to. Okay, so we're going to put instantpaysolution.net. Okay, instantpaysolution.net. Everything is explained in detail on this website, period. You have to act quickly, otherwise you will waste your chance. Okay, I gotta go back up here and fix the spelling. Okay, and then that's it. And then we're just gonna put best, and I'm gonna put my full name. All right, so I'll read this through one more time because I definitely want to proof it before I proceed to secure order form. Okay, and that's where all you have to do is provide your information, your card information, and place order, and your ad will be submitted. You'll go in rotation, folks, and within 24 hours or less, your email will be going out to these submissions in these 4 quadrants. Okay, so you get a lot of eyeballs, targeted, high quality traffic for a very super cost efficient price. One time $20, folks. I highly recommend SmartList Herculist, okay, which is a SmartList service. All right, I've been using these guys for a very long time, and I always do very well with these ads. Okay, so hey, comma, I've got an urgent message for you. There is one spot available for this hot work from home opportunity. If you're interested, please visit my website, instantpaysolution.net. Okay, everything is explained in detail on this website. You have to act quickly, otherwise you will waste your chance. And then I have my name. Okay, so folks, this is all you have to do. The next step is you're going to proceed to the secure order form, and you have a couple choices here you can add on if you desire. I'm just going to go ahead and put no thanks, continue to checkout, and this is where you will enter your credit card number right here, your CVV, which is the security code on the back, the last 3 digits, expiration date of your credit card, and of course your full name, your billing information, your address, city, state, zip, and your email. And then once you've entered your card information, you'll just simply hit submit transaction and your order will be placed. This is really simple, folks. A great, trusted, proven resource to help you with your email marketing, to build your list, to build your business, and start seeing conversions. This site holds a whole lot of promise, folks. Put it to good use, stay consistent with it, and I wish you the very best of luck with building your business. I'm using this for this particular little low ticket offer. Check out my website below. All the information's there. It's only $39 one time. It's called CashAlive39. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, folks, and I hope to see you on the inside of the CashAlive39 system real soon. Let's get you started today, folks. It's only $39 one time. And this allows you to get paid over and over again and receive some great, valuable information, insight with a great product to help you to build any business of your choice, including, of course, the CashAlive39. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon on another video. Bye-bye.